think if Kawasaki, in operating in low production numbers, said we're going to do a 2-month window or a 3-month window, and you can build your ski the way you want. We're going to offer X amount of colors, 5 colors, whatever, or the colors they got, but you can mix and match. Okay, well, I want an X, but I want the green off of the LXS, and I want 4S speakers, but I don't want the deck extension, and I don't need the reverse-facing camera, and blah, 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 and you could build your own package. I wonder how cost prohibitive that would be, because ultimately it comes down to cost. You know it as much as I do. It has to make sense to the bean counters. They're not going to do it if it's going to cost them money. Now, if you said, hey, listen, for the chance to build my own custom ski, I'll pay an extra $800, or I'll pay an extra $600, or I'll pay whatever premium to get the package that I want. Can you imagine? Now, even if it was all existing product, think about it, because it doesn't cost them anything. You know, if you say, well, I want it red, or I want it burnt orange, or I want it yellow, or I want whatever, that's going to be costly. That's another $500 or another $1,000 or whatever, because it's now you're casting plastics, now you're painting, now you're doing XYZ. Now you have new graphics. It turns into a whole big thing. But if you say, hey, listen, given the current lineup, given everything that you guys offer right now on the shelf, but I want to build my own unit. That is something, because that gives Kawasaki an edge over Yamaha and Sea-Doo, because it's unique. It's not mass produced. Okay, you got to enter into you got to enter your name, or you got to enter into something. But think about that. You call it a legacy edition, or you call it, I saw the word legacy, and that literally popped in my head, and that's why I said legacy edition. That's so funny. That is so funny. A jailbreak Cowie, yeah. I might be writing a proposal this week. Wow. I wonder how many people would jump on that. There's no added performance parts. There's nothing unique, no different colors, but you can build your own combination. They can't do it production wise. Here's the reason why, guys. Sea-Doo and Yamaha are so mass produced. I've been on the factory floor for Yamaha, and for them to do that would be it would grind production to a halt. It really would. Kawasaki does not produce the numbers that Yamaha and Sea-Doo do. Well, okay. Well, what does that mean? Their machines are almost entirely hand-built, entirely. Hand-assembled, hand-painted, at Lincoln, Nebraska. And because it's a slower, shorter run, that allows them to pull some units out of the line and say, okay, we've got 300 or we've got 100 custom units we have to assemble. Okay. And everyone gets a nameplate or a number plate or a unique emblem plate. Wow. And it'll just be for the Ultra 310s. That's funny. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, that's an interesting idea. I'm going to write that down. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.